What up, everybody? Good morning. It is 6:27 a.m. Boom, get that. Let's send it out to everybody on Instagram, and then we ready to rock and roll. Let's see, share. Premarket Live. Cool. Let's hop right into it. Let's see what we got for the economic calendar real quick. See what we got today. I know we got... Was today the day with the Fed speakers? Yes, it was. So... let's see, we have a Fed speaker right now, and then we have PMI at 9:45. So 15 minutes into market open, that's going to be important. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy this morning. Fed speaker 45 minutes into market open, and then a Fed speaker later in the day. And I believe that's it. Thursday is going to be the day that we have a lot of Fed speakers, but we do have some today. So, just be a little cautious of that. Anyways, main thing today, PMI. Let's hop right into the levels. So, starting with ES, what I'm pretty much looking for this week is if we're getting continuation, I want to see us get above 57.97.5. If we can get above there, look for more upside. As far as bounces, I mean, I really don't have a good one until we get way down here. What's up? Good morning. At 5626.5. That's the main level I'm going to watch. Now, we are holding that 4-hour 21 EMA as support. We did get really close to retesting that previous all-time high. Or sorry, hold on. The other support, my bad. Resistance area broke above it. Got very close making it support. But yeah, I want to see us above 5797.5 for continuation. Bounce is going to be way down here. I guess we could also look at this trend line for a possible break. And then take it back up into these highs. And then higher after that. But we do have a very nice 2-hour squeeze. Very nice 2-hour structure. So I will be watching that. But yeah, as far as other bounces, really not seen too many. We have a nice 1-hour squeeze as well. But yeah, nothing there. Nothing on the 30. We already hit that previous demand. And then, yeah, I think that's about it. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, that's everything on ES. So again, get above this trend line. Look to take it back up into these highs. Get above the highs. Look for more upside. And then bounce way down here. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. SPY did retest that previous all-time high. Our bounce again is going to be way down here, so quite far away. I do like the overall 2-hour structure that we have. So let's see if we get above this trend line. Get above the trend line. Look for the continuation back into the high. And yeah, I mean, I believe that's pretty much it for SPY as well. Here's our previous all-time high, previous resistance. We already tested it. We'll see what happens again if we come down into the level. It's not like trading basic support and resistance isn't my favorite, but we will see what happens if we come back down into it. So again, get above here, look for continuation, back up into the highs, get above there, look for even more upside. Really at that point, 600 is what I would look for, just like a psychological level. So that's everything there. SPX 5700 is going to be our key level. We did not hit the previous all-time high, so maybe we'll see what happens if SPX comes down and hits it. But 5700 will be our key level. Get above 5733.57. I mean, really the only level I would watch is 5800, which is right here. Cool. So yeah, that's it on SPX. Let's head on over to NQ. And if you guys watched, what was it, Saturday's video, you should have all these levels marked out already. If you guys did not watch Saturday's video, I do drop all my SPY and QQQ levels over the weekend on my channel. So let's see, zoom out on NQ. As we can see, we broke above that symmetrical triangle we talked about. Nice continuation out of FOMC. Ideally, would like to see us get above this, what's the level? 20254.75, because this is an overall supply zone right here. So would be a little cautious with NQ longs. But we already took out the beginning of the zone, so that's like ideally where I would look for a reject. So it really depends on the setup, but we are holding the 4-hour 21 EMA. We have tested this area a few times. We do have a nice 2-hour squeeze. So I will be watching that overall structure, but again, ideally would like to see us get above this 20254.75 on NQ. Now, as far as the demand, that 4-hour zone, that previous trend line, we could look for a potential bounce. Nothing that I see on the 1-hour. Nothing that I see on the 30. Took out that 45-minute. Yeah, I mean, that's really all I see. So, again, ideally with NQ, get above 20254.75 for continuation. We'll look for intraday trend entries. And then as far as a bounce, I really don't have anything until way down here, or potentially even this trend line, since we broke out of it and didn't retest it. So we'll see with that. QQQ. Good morning, good morning. Same thing, bounce way down here at 470. We already tested it once. We do have a very nice gap fill that I do want to watch this week on QQQ above 488.8. Get above there, 493. It's going to be a straight shot into it. Here's our gap. But yeah, definitely one of the main things I'll watch this week. And let's see, we did clear the supply on QQQ, which is good. So we don't have to worry about that. The only thing we have to worry about is NQ. Then again, watch that 2-hour structure. Nice 2-hour squeeze. But yeah, that's about it on QQQ. Bounce down here. Continuation above here. Gap entry. Gap fill. All right. Let's run through some individuals, see what we like today. See what we like and what we don't like. Where'd the day trading watch list go? Hold on. What? Did I accidentally close it? I guess so. I gotta figure out how to get that squeeze thing back. That squeeze watch list. Anyways, alright, Apple. Hit that 50% retracement. The one thing that I don't like about OPEX is the volume is always so high. So as far as volume price analysis, it's kind of hard. It kind of skews it. Or no, not kind of. It does skew it. So as far as Apple, I mean, not really seeing a setup I'd be interested in. We did double top at that gap fill. So personally going to skip that. AMD. I do really, really like AMD on the monthly. I think I'm going to go ahead and start adding more equity with a price target above this all-time high. But this is a big old fat monthly cup and handle that we got. So that looks really good as far as a lower time frame setup. I mean, maybe above 157.10. We'll see. Let's see. AMD. Got that. Amazon. Bristol Myers, we're still in it. Nothing's wrong with it. Didn't hit stop, didn't hit price targets. So until it stops me out or hits price targets, I'm holding. Point off 190. We got a very, very, very tiny gap. What is that? 70 cents, which we're about to fill. Maybe Amazon. AMD and Amazon are definitely potentially trades to take. Boeing don't care about. Coin don't care about. Google don't care about. IWM. Actually looks pretty good. I do like this. Kind of got like that flag into the 4-hour 21. We're holding it. I guess it depends on how you want to draw your trend line. You can draw it two different ways. Draw it like that. Actually, a few different ways. Or like that. I think we'll actually do it like this. I don't trade JP Morgan. Boom. All right, get above that high. I actually do really like IWM. We do have some swings on watch going into, what was it? The end of the quarter. I got quarterly setups. So Abbott, Cisco are two of my favorites. Meta is one of my favorite individuals for this week. 100% going on the watch list. Looking for a continuation today. Huge breakout. So 1000% Meta. Microsoft. Don't care about. Nvidia. Starting to go into the squeeze. Good morning. Nothing that I see. So skip over that. We did QQQ, SPX, Starbucks. Don't care about Tesla. Let's see, did we fill that gap? Yes, we did. Actually, no, we haven't quite filled it. We got like $1 short. I'd say what I like so far out of the 5 is IWM, Meta, and Tesla. We just got to get rid of one of those. Let's see, IWM. Yeah, Meta 1000%. So it's kind of between this IWM and Tesla. Let's look at the futures. We did come up into a really big area of supply on the Russell. But I don't know. I still really like that setup. I think I might keep it on the side. Let's see, Russell, Tesla. What do you guys think? Russell or Tesla for the other individual today? Because I like them both. But I think... See, the issue is Tesla still has that gap. It got really, really close. But I like the structure on IWM more. Decisions. Yeah, I feel like they want to just go ahead and fill it. Yeah, we'll keep Russell on the side, but we'll prioritize Meta Meta is definitely like the one thing that I'm watching. It's my favorite setup this week. Looking for, it was either a continuation above Friday's high, which we're gapping up above, or a bounce back at these previous all-time highs. So like 544.23, give or take. So we did misprint into the 1 hour 21 EMA, which is unfortunate. Would have liked to watch that area for a bounce. Another area I would be willing to watch is going to be that 4 hour 21 if we start to pull back. But Meta's powerhouse right now, ideally, continuation. Cool. Let's get this bad boy typed up. This week is personal too. Personal. All right. Cool. Break above trend line for Coles. Bounce. 565.16 to 563.91 slash intraday trend entries. QQQ. Watching overall structure, intraday trend entries. Like I said, really no good bounces until 470, which is quite far away. And then we got to break above that trend line, which is about $2 away. Let's say levels are kind of far away. All right, so we got SPY, QQQ, Meta, 100% on the list. All right, Meta. Actually, want to see. Let's whip out these Fibonacci extensions, why don't we? All right, so we're gapping above the 1618 right now. So we don't need that. Yeah, I mean, our next level is way up there. It's pretty much what we're working with. 574.28. So we got Meta and then Tesla. Very close to filling the daily gap. Looking for intraday trend entries. Upside or gap fill. Cool. All right. So I gotta get screenshots. This watch list definitely requires screenshots. Yeah, we'll look at Mara here in a second. SPY. QQQ. Then we had, let's see, Meta. Could also see what happens at previous day's high. Oh, Meta. Really depends. And Tesla. If you guys want this watch list too, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I go live every single morning around 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you're not subscribed on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Everybody on TikTok, hit that follow button. And if you guys want to tap into the YouTube, the link is in my bio. Tesla. Boom. All right, Team Bull. You guys got the watch list. YouTube channel members, you guys are about to get the watch list. Hey, what's up, twin? We got Brandon number 2 up in here. Boom, channel members got the watch list. All right. Let's give everybody else this watch list here in a second after we check tomorrow. You got me in the YouTube live stream if you want the watch list. So again, the link is in my bio. I think, hold on. No, I thought it was setting up on the quarterly. I guess not. I mean, it's sitting here consolidating again. It's going to move with crypto. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, but Mara, I don't really like the structure that we got right now. Bitcoin, however, let's go to that monthly real quick. Big old fat monthly cup and handle. Very, very bullish on Bitcoin. I've been adding a lot. I still think we are going to get a very large move. So, do with that information as you please, but I personally am very bullish and have been adding a lot of crypto. So, let's give you guys this watch list in the YouTube live stream. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So here's SPY, QQQ, Meta, and Tesla. Give everybody a couple minutes to write that down, screenshot it, whatever you want to do with it. Then also, I would watch Cisco on the quarterly for a swing. We gotta wait till the end of the quarter, which is in what, 10 days? But looks really, really good at holding that structure that I like to see. Quarterly squeeze. We've been in it since April 2022. Should want to check the yearly. Yeah, I mean, higher time frames are very, very bullish on Cisco. Even the yearly. Quarterly looks really good. Monthly, same thing. Would like to see us build a base, but quarterly plus. Got that trend line right there. Boom. Just always go right at the money. That's what I do. Who is calling me? Mr. J. Dunn. Hold on. Oh, he probably wants me to join the Zoom. There we go. All right. Yes, sir. Make sure you tap in every single morning. Give you guys these levels for completely free. So make sure you guys are subscribed, bell notifications on so you're notified every single time I go live. Everybody in TikTok, tap into the YouTube. The link is in my bio. But yeah. Everybody have a good one. Let's run it up. If you're in Team Bull, talk to you guys in about 20 minutes. Other than that, talk to everybody tomorrow. New YouTube video tonight. Everything I've learned over the last 7 years of trading. So definitely don't want to miss that. But yeah, everybody take it easy.